Hey there, preppers! Today I'm diving into the essentials you need to survive any disaster keto style. Let's talk about creating a keto emergency food kit that'll keep you fueled and in ketosis, even when the world goes a little bonkers. First up, you can't go wrong with meats and seafood. Think canned tuna, salmon, and chicken. Not only are they packed with protein, but they also have a long shelf life. And hey, who doesn't love a good can of sardines in a pinch? Just make sure you're storing these in a cool, dry place to maximize their longevity. Now let's move on to sauces and mix-ins. Stock up on items like olive oil, coconut oil, and ghee. These healthy fats will keep your energy up. And don't forget spices and seasonings. They can turn a bland meal into a gourmet experience. Well, almost. Keto veggies are next on the list. Look for freeze-dried or dehydrated options like spinach, kale, and cauliflower. They're lightweight and don't take up much space. Plus, when you rehydrate them, you get a nice dose of vitamins and minerals. Of course, you'll need some cooking equipment to prepare all this deliciousness. A portable stove or a small gas burner is a must. And don't forget a good set of utensils and a lightweight, durable pot or pan. Trust me, you'll thank me when you're not trying to cook bacon with a stick over a campfire. Lastly, a first aid kit is crucial. Make sure it's well stocked with bandages, antiseptics, and any medications you might need. You never know what kind of scrapes and bumps you might encounter out there. So, there you have it. A keto emergency food kit that's ready for anything. Stay prepared, stay healthy, and keep it keto. Until next time, happy prepping.